You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.
Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am giving you some gift ideas because May 9th is approaching. And I think you know what that means. It's Mother's Day. I swear I feel the most pressure when it's time to celebrate Mother's Day. My mom, love her, I told her not to watch this video, but she's the type of mom that if she doesn't like it, she will return it. I usually just stick to like clothes, skincare, and beauty items for her. So for the first item, we have this pharmacy greenhouse. So this costs about, I think it was like $44, but I'll put all the prices of everything on the screen. This includes a full size of their Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And so a cleansing balm, like if you're wearing makeup, you use your cleansing balm first and then like your regular gel cleanser after to really wipe away that makeup, wipe away that dirt. So it's a full size and I've been really wanting her to try this because the reviews are amazing and I am in the process of really trying it out and liking it actually. Then you also get a small jar of the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. That just is supposed to help you with your dark circles, brighten up your eyes a little bit, get rid of those bags, and who doesn't want to get rid of that? And it also comes with the Daily Greens Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's a treasure. It's a treasure, and I think you would really like it. It's silicone-free. These are really clean products. You know, it's made without, it's paraben-free, formaldehyde, donor-free, synthetic fragrance-free, cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, and Maya, I don't know how to speak. Phthalate-free, cool. So it's really good. Supposedly for your skin, they have amazing reviews on their website. The oil moisturizer is perfect for oily skin people. You know, we don't really like thick moisturizers. You know, if you have your normal skin type, combination skin. And I think the moisturizer would definitely work for someone who has dry skin and more of the warmer months, or if you live in a warmer, you know, climate, you know, warmer place. So this is a must and I feel like she would really enjoy it. Okay, so in the pharmacy box, this is the size of the oil-free moisturizer that you get. It's very small. They have bigger sizes on their website in case you finish this up. And this is how it looks in the container. I just want to show you what it looks like on the skin. You see how, I just love the smell. It just smells like a spa. See, very moisturizing, not too oily, just very moisturizing on the skin. And I don't feel greasy when I wear this. Okay, so this is what the Brightening Eye Cream looks like. And you can see it in comparison to the moisturizer. So, take the little top off. So this is how it looks like in the container. And you're putting this on your eyes, and you know you need to use your ring finger when applying eye creams. Let's get this to focus. There we go. So just like that. So not too shiny, which I like. Nice. And this is the full size of the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And it has like a spatula on the top. And that's just what it looks like. It's green, if you can see the color a little bit. Okay, so the next item is if you want to create your own little beauty basket or box or little bag here. So I got this at the at-home store. And it's just, you know, this little straw bag, this beautiful design. And I don't know if it's still going to be there, but pick up something similar to this, like at that home store, Target, Walmart. They might have a fun little cool basket at Five Below or the dollar store. to kind of create your own items for your mom or your special loved one who is a mother. So basically what you can do is, for the first little beauty bag or box, you can create a body one. So I have this Raw Sugar Sensitive Skin, let's get the name right, Raw Sugar Sensitive Skin Loving Ultra Nourishing Cold Press Lotion. Green tea plus cucumber and aloe vera, free of sulfates, parabens, and it's vegan. So I have this moisturizer, very soft. Like it feels like a dream on the skin, honestly. I always choose the sensitive skin one when I'm trying a new product. That claims to be clean, just in case, but after I finish this, I really want to try some of their other scents, because this scent is not my favorite, but it's fine, you know. So you can go ahead and put this in your little bag, all right? And then if you are like, look, I want to buy my mom a luxe item, all right? I want her to feel hot, sexy, feel like $1,000,000, soft skin. Why don't you pick up some Laura Mercier? Let's see, the Creme Brulee Soufflé Body Cream. This right here, a dream. But this is more luxe. And then the Raw Sugar is more affordable, but still feeling luxe on the skin. You get what I'm saying? So I really like the Creme Brulee. My mother likes I think it's the Almond Coconut one. It's a lighter scent. This is a sweeter scent. So you can pick this up. So you could choose between that one or this one. All right, we're moving. Then you can pick up the Method Body Wash. So at Target, they have these little small sizes, and they could be at Walmart too, but I shop at Target, and these are so cute. Like if you don't want to get her a full size, go ahead and pick up this small size. They have the cucumber one in this size. So this is my favorite scent. It's the Peony Rosewater Pink Sea Salt, and it's called Pure Peas. And that's how I feel when I put this on my body. This is a great find. Okay, then you can choose between your favorite scrubs. I actually have a video on these. The Dove Polish and Pomegranate Exfoliating Body Polish, or the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub and Coconut Lime, depending on which one you really like. I really like the Dove Polish, and I know my mom really likes the Dove Polish, so I'm gonna stick this in her little beauty bag, a little body bag here. And to spice it up, you can add some ribbons, you can put some little like the tissue paper that's all colorful in her favorite colors. You can do like yellow, orange, pink, and that'll really jazz up this little straw bag. Okay, so the next little beauty basket idea you can do is you can make a makeup bag. You know, if she's just starting out in makeup, you know, wants to get more into makeup. She's been watching a lot of YouTube makeup videos. Or she's a makeup guru. My mom was a Mary Kay consultant, so I would buy her either her favorite makeup products or your favorite ones, or ones you think she might like. So, Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is in medium deep. I do want to pick up Honey because she is a little lighter than me. Blurs the skin. I know you probably heard about it. Incredible. She would love it. I mean, an affordable option. I hear some people say the ColourPop one is comparable to the Laura Mercier, and unless they changed their formula the last couple years I used it, I don't know. It's like not my favorite. I'm trying to think of an affordable option of a setting powder. Oh, Maybelline Fit Me powder. That's a good one. A lot of people love it. But I am into Laura Mercier. Favorite mascaras, you can choose one. So we have the e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara right here. Or you can do the one I have on my eyes right now, if you can even see it. I don't know if you can see it, but the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. So absolutely love these. They're both drugstore, both super affordable. They're just really good. Like, I like this one for more like an everyday natural look. I like this one paired with the base, like the primer, for like a bam. Is she wearing falsies? I don't know. Ma'am, are you wearing falsies? No, I'm wearing L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. You know? In the bag! Okay. Then I have these little elf size, these bite-size eyeshadows in Cream and Sugar. These are only $3. So it doesn't hurt to give someone some neutral colors. And then I also have the one in Truffles. And this basically creates its own palette. You see? It's just so pretty. Stay with me. In the bag. Have you tried the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadows? Please let me know in the comments and how you feel about them. Should I try some new colors? I really want to try some of the pinks and oranges, but I'm scared. Let me know. If you want to spin, if you want to splurge just a little bit, I really like the Bare Minerals Gin Nude eyeshadow palettes. Let's see if it's kind of reflecting. There we go, right there, and they're really pretty packaging. They have them in various shades. I think they have like a neutral, a rose, latte, copper. This one is in the shade Copper. I actually have this on my eyes today. So pretty, so pretty. I will have to say the one I had before, I think that was the neutral one. I don't feel like it's very deep brown skin friendly. I'll put that one on the screen of the one I'm referring to make sure I have the correct name right. It looks ashy on warmer skin tones in my opinion. My favorite lipstick, I actually have this on my lips right now, is the Kosas Weightless Lip Color. Absolutely amazing, feels like a dream in the lips. I wish they would come out with even more shades, but just to show you what the color looks like, because I actually did get this for my mom because she really likes the color that I have. This is in the shade Stardust, and this is how it looks. And this is, see? Very pretty. Very pretty. So, what do we say in the bag? Okay, for blushes, I have two options. I have the Rare Beauty in Love right here. I love this shade. I think it's really beautiful on, you know, warm skin tones. Yeah, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Like, I think in everyone's skin tone, actually, this color could really work. And this is more of their matte color. They have some dewy ones. Me and my mom more like matte blushes. So, amazing. Okay, then if you're balling on a budget, I do like the e.l.f. Bite Size highlighter and blush little duo here. This is in the shade Pomegranate. Now, if she's not really, there is some shimmer in this blush. So I have a blush that's on its way from ColourPop that I'll put on the screen here. Some black creators created this blush. So they worked with ColourPop. And I thought it kind of really matched the Lancome like bronze flush, that color that we really love that is now discontinued. So that is coming soon. And then the last thing I have is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Amber, and it is stunning. And it's affordable. So there you have it. There is the beauty box. Okay, now she's not really into makeup, and she is not like, doesn't really want to get the pharmacy gift box, and maybe she's an active girl and she's like, I am in the market for some really nice leggings. Amazon has this brand called Colorful Koala, and these are just the cutest thing. I'll also put a try-on clip right over here of me, you know, wearing the leggings, and these are so soft. Look at this material. These are so soft. It's just so soft, if you can see. And it has pockets. You know, girls, we love pockets. We love things with pockets. And it's high-waisted. And there is some timing control, but it doesn't feel too like sucked in, you know. So I have this color in pink. I also have black, and they are comfortable. I love them. And I mean, I don't have really much else to say, and they're affordable, and they have various different colors. So it's really great. So you can give her some leggings, and I know Hydro Jug is having a sale right now. I think it's about 30% off sale. You can get her a Hydro Jug. I would get with a sleeve, you know, if she's working out at the gym, and so you can get the little sleeve, and so she can carry this, and you can even, if she's an active gal, put some lip gloss and chapstick in here, maybe some hand lotion, and there's your gift, and you're good to go. And make sure, you know, you get the straw with the Hydro Jug. Very important. See, so, okay, come on, go down. Thank you. So you can get her some activewear. Or, okay, so we have skincare, we have makeup, we have active sort of items. And now we can talk about some jewelry. If your mom is, you know, wants jewelry that's beautiful, that's simple, that's chic, that's trendy, I would check out Ana Luisa. I am an ambassador with Ana Luisa, so I do have an affiliate code with them. It is on the screen here, so you can get 12% off. But for right now, they have a Mother's Day sale going on, so use NDay15 for 15% off of all the jewelry on AnaLuisa.com. And then once that sale's over, feel free to use my affiliate code on the screen. And this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. Okay, and let's say you're like, look, Maya, these are all great things, but I don't feel like really going out, buying all these different things, creating a bag. I am a gift card lover. Other people feel like it's just not, you didn't put much thought into the gift, it's lazy. Do you feel like that? Let me know in the comments down below, because I would have to disagree with you. I love gift cards. When people that don't know what I will enjoy very well, and they get me a scarf, thank you for thinking of me. I would have much rather you got me a Target gift card, an Amazon gift card, or for your mom, or your loved one who is a mom, a Home Goods gift card, all right, a gift card to Ulta, to Sephora. Let's see, the at-home store. I think those are amazing gift card options that you can choose from. So guys, this completes my video on some gift ideas that you can get your loved one who is a mother. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you're having a lovely day. Bye, guys.